the WordPress form builder I have built. So this is completely free for you. So here you can use it. The magic form, click. When you click that new form, showing all from here, already default some form we have, so you can use it. So just when you send and click it, automatically default form show. Already we have set, so you can edit or update it. So customer account, order account, or customer account, email address, name, then issue type, they can issue, select it, check, you can add option, priority, issue description, screenshot event, automatically everything we can put here already added. Just click the publish it and use the code and use in your file. So this is our system. So you can output, this is the simple output here. And this is the form name, start name, company name, for email address, email option, the budget, also the dating system, also the project details, also the starting document, and anti-spam follow. So this will help you to any anti-spam or bot comment comes. So this is the bot request automatically blocked. So this is our system, custom made system. So here you may need to put the simple math to validation. Also we have made it the disabled form, no one can submit this. You have to put all data, then it's showing the submit enable. So here is saying fill all required field to enable the submit. So required field need to show you, make you submit. So you can use the simple form. This is a completely free for you. So best of luck.